Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, remain standing for our prayer. Angel of God,
My guardian
dear,
whom God's love commits me here.
ever this day,
Be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Okay, class, before you take your seat, kindly pick up the dirt under your chair and arrange your chairs properly. Secretary, is anyone absent for today?
None, teachers.
Okay, very good. Keep it up, class. Okay, class. Before we start, we have rules to follow in our classroom. First is try hard, meaning focus in your study. And then the second one is listen. When I'm talking in front, listen to me, okay? And then third is be nice. Be nice to your classmate. Okay, class? Understand? Next is share. Share your knowledge to your classmates. Share your foods or anything to your classmates. Bawal po ang madamot. Okay? And then, next is care. Don't bully your classmates' class. And then lastly is be safe. Kung nagsusulat mamaya kayo, huwag niyong itutusok yung ballpen niyo sa mga kaklase niyo. Okay? Understand? Okay, class. Before we start, may I have one volunteer to solve this problem in front?
Teacher.
Yes, JD, come in front. While JD is calculate the problem in the board, gawin nyo din sa mga upuan nyo at titignan natin mamaya kung correct ang inyong mga ginawa. Okay, class? Understand? Okay, JD, thank you. You may now take your seat. Let's give 3 claps to JD. 1, 2, 3. Very good, JD. Let's check the answer of JD. Okay, class. What is the formula to get the distance again?
Teacher.
Yes, Miriam?
Distance is equal to speed times time.
Yes, very good. Okay, J is equal to speed times time, 75 km times 3.5 per hour over hours. And then 1D is equal to 262.5 km per hour. And then cancel the hour. So, ang natira na lang is 262.5 km. Yes, very good, JD. And then, class, how about is, what is the formula to get the speed?
Teacher.
Yes, Mary Ann.
Teacher, the formula in getting the speed is equal to distance divided by time.
Yes, very good. And how about the time?
Teacher,
Yes, JD.
the formula in getting the time is equal to distance divided by speed.
Yes, very good. At nakinig kayo sa aking discussion kahapon. Very good, class. Keep it up. Give 5 claps to yourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, gusto niyo bang maglaro, class?
Yes, teacher.
Familiar ba kayo sa jigsaw play?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I have a jigsaw play. I have a cardboard here. And then this cardboard, nagko-contain siya ng jigsaw puzzle sa likod. Kukunin nyo yung puzzle sa likod at i-assemble nyo dito sa cardboard This will be the group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, and group 5. Okay, class, go to your groups. This will be the group 1, the group 2, the group 3, group 4, and group 5. I will give you 5 minutes to assemble that. I will set a time here. 1. Last 1 minute, class. And then time's up. Okay, class, paste it in the board your work. Wow, very good, class. Ang gagaling nyo namang mag-assemble. Talagang naglalaro kayo ng jigsaw play. May jigsaw play ba kayo sa inyong mga cellphone? Okay, very good. Jigsaw play is good to your critical thinking. Group 5 are finished.
Not yet, teacher.
Okay, make it fast.
Teacher, we're done.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Group 5. Ayusin natin yung ginawa ng Group 5. Parang hindi kayo naglalaro ng jigsaw play, Group 5. Mahirap ba?
Yes, teacher. Mahirap talaga.
Okay, ayusin natin yung ginawa ng Group 5. Ganito lang kadali Group 5. And then, like this. Okay, let's give 5 claps to yourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, class. Based from this jigsaw puzzle that you made, what did you notice?
Teacher.
Yes, JD.
Teacher, may mga shapes na nabuo.
Yes, very good. What else?
Wala na, teacher.
Ano bang tawag natin sa mga shapes na ito? It is polygonal shapes. And then, ano sa tingin nyo ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon?
Teacher.
Yes, Jessamia.
Teacher, perimeter.
Yes, very good. We will find out the perimeter of these shapes, of these polygonal shapes. For that class, I will present first our goals for today or our objectives. Letter A is, kindly read class.
Define perimeter.
Yes, and then letter B.
Calculate the perimeter of the triangles, square, rectangle, parallelogram, and trapezoid.
And lastly,
Solve routine and non-routine problems in real-life situations involving perimeter.
Okay, class. What comes into your mind when you hear the word perimeter? Yes,
Perimeter is the distance around the figure.
Yes, very good. Perimeter is the distance around the figure, or in general formula, perimeter is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3, side 4, and what this dot means? Yes, Yudhya.
Teacher plus side 5 plus side 6.
Yes, and
hanggang
so on. It is non-ending. Very good, Yudhya. Thank you. And then we will find out the perimeter of this triangle first. Okay, class. Let's find out this triangle. What is the perimeter? This side 1 is 9 cm. This side 2 is 9 cm. And then this side 3 is 11 cm. Okay, our formula is P is equal to side 1. How many side, class? It is
3 sides.
yes, side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Okay, the side 1 is 9 cm. And then the side 2 is, it is 9 cm too. Plus the side 3 is 11 cm. Okay, 9 plus 9
18.
plus 11.
28, teacher.
Okay, 28. 28 cm, and the perimeter of this triangle is 28 cm. And the next is the square. This is 4 cm. And then 4 cm. Class, magkakapareho ba ang size ng sides nito?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so meaning lahat ng side nitong square na ito is 4 cm. And then the formula is P is equal to how many sides, class?
4, teacher.
Okay, side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. And then it is 4 cm. 4 cm plus 4 cm plus 4 cm plus 4 cm. 4 plus 4
8, teacher.
plus 4
12, teacher.
plus 4.
16, teacher.
Very good. It is 16 cm. And then, may other formula pa to, class. Kapag magkakapareho yung side, pwede, para mas madali, pwede natin gamitin yung multiplication. Yes, very good, JD. P is equal to how many sides?
4, teacher.
Yes, it is 4. And then, every side has 4 cm. Yes, very good. So, 4 times 4.
16, teacher.
Okay, very good. 16 cm. Ano pong mas madaling gamitin? Yung addition or yung multiplication?
Yung multiplication, teacher.
And then sa other is both ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. And then next is, let's find out the perimeter of the rectangle. This is 10 meter. And then this is 13 meter. Miriam, kindly come in front and solve this. The perimeter of the rectangle. Habang ginagawa ni Miriam yung perimeter ng rectangle, gawin nyo din sa mga notebook ninyo at i-check natin mamaya kung tama. Is Miriam's answer is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's find out. Perimeter, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And then 10. Last 10. Miriam, don't forget to put the... Anong tawag natin dito? Yung meter. Dapat kung naglalagay kayo, don't forget to put meter in here. Okay, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Sorry.
10 meter, it's okay. 10 meter plus 10 meter
20, teacher.
plus 13
30
plus 30 meter.
46, teacher.
Okay, it is 46 meter or guys, may isa pa tayong formula to this rectangle shape. Kasi magkapareho yung dalawang side at yung
Yung
dalawang...
length at width niya, teacher.
Yes, very good, Miriam. So, perimeter is equal to how many sides in the width?
2, teacher.
Okay, 2 times the width and then plus the
Length.
length. Okay, 2 times the length. 2 times, what is the width plus?
10, teacher.
Okay, 10 meter. And then, sa length naman,
13, teacher. 2
Okay.
times 13, teacher.
yes, 2 times 13 meter. Okay, 2 times 10 meter. 20 meter. Very good. Plus 2 times 13.
26, teacher.
Okay, 26 meter. So 20 plus 26 meter is equal to
46 meter.
yes, 46 meter. Very good, class. And now, next naman is yung parallelogram. Class, atong parallelogram natin, magkakapareho din ba ng sides? Yes, very good. Magkakapareho din. Mary Ann, come in front and solve this parallelogram shape. In this area, put in this area. Yes, very good. While Mary Ann is computing this parallelogram shape, kindly calculate in your notebook so that I will check it later. And I will give you extra points if that is correct. Wow! Let's check Mary Ann's answer. P is equal to how many side class?
1, 2, 3, 4.
S1 plus S2, S3, S4, and then 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, and then 20 meter. Very good. Ayun, may ginawa din siyang isang formula. Very good, Mary Ann. At nakikinig si Mary Ann. 4 sides times 5 meter. And then 4 times 5 class?
20, teacher.
Yes, 20 meter. Very good. Correct. And lastly, let's find out the perimeter of our trapezoid. And then this is 28 meter. And then 10 meter. 10 meter, 10 meter, and 30 meter. Jody, kindly solve this perimeter of the trapezoid. Put it here, Jody. Naiintindihan talaga nila yung ating lesson ngayon. Very good. Talagang nakikinig sila. Okay, let's check Jody's answer. Okay, P is equal to side 1. How many sides? It's 4 sides. So 28 meter plus 10 meter plus 30 meter plus 10 meter. Okay, 28, 38, then 78. Very good. Talagang nakikinig talaga sila. Very good, Jody. And now, class, we will have another example, but this example is non-routine and routine problem. So, kindly read, class. One side of the square working table measured 50 centimeters. Find its perimeter. And then there is steps here and we will put the answer in here. So, in here, understand, sabi dito, what is as? Ano bang tinatanong niya, class?
Teacher, the perimeter of the table.
Yes, Miriam. Kindly put it here. Put it here, Miriam. Very good, Miriam. Thank you. And then what is the given, class? Where is the given here?
50 centimeter,
Yes,
teacher.
50 centimeter. And then let's go in the plan. What operation will you use? It is, so ang table ngayon is square. So anong gagamitin natin?
Teacher, addition or multiplication.
Yes, addition and multiplication. Very good, class. And then, what is the number sentence?
teacher, 50 cm plus 50 cm
plus 50 cm
plus
plus 50 cm
plus
plus
50
50 cm
cm.
is equal to n. And then the next is 50 cm
Times
times 4.
4.
It is 4 side class because it is square is equal to n. And then let's check and look back. And what is the answer? Okay, class. Let's draw a square table in here. Square table. So every side has 50
centimeter.
centimeter. And then, okay, 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter.
100
Yes,
centimeter.
plus 50 centimeter.
150 teacher.
Yes, plus 50 centimeter.
200 centimeter.
And what is the answer, class?
200 centimeter.
Yes, 200 centimeter. And then gagamitin naman natin yung multiplication, class. 50 times 4.
200 teacher.
Yes, it is 200 centimeter. So, okay. May kwento ako, class. Dahil, sino may birthday ngayong month na ito?
Teacher siya.
Yes, Sunshine. Kailan bang birthday mo, Sunshine?
Teacher no May 30.
Okay, May 30. Okay, Sunshine. Dahil iisa lang ang table sa inyong bahay at madami kayong bisita at kailangan nyo magdagdag ng 2 table pa sa inyong square na table. Okay, magdadagdag tayo ng 2 table sa side by side. 1 and 2. Okay, class. Mahaba na ba yung table ni Sunshine sa kanyang birthday?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. And then, ang sabi dito, using the table above, if 3 tables are placed end to end, ayan, yung isang table natin dito, naglagay tayo ng end to end. What will be the perimeter of the new table form? Okay, ang sabi dito is every side has 50 centimeters. So here, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and this side is 50 centimeter, and this side is 50 centimeter, and in here, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, then 50 centimeter. Okay. Ilang sides na ba ang na-form, class? Kindly count.
1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ulitin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, perimeter is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4, side 5, side 6 plus side 7 and then side 8. Okay, there is 8 sides. Pero para mas madali, class, pag ganito ba ang formula nyo? Di ba mas mahaba na?
Yes, teacher.
So, kaya tinuturo ni teacher yung multiplication kung square ang gagamitin para po mas madali. Okay. P is equal to sine 8 times
50, teacher.
50 cm. 50 cm times 8.
400, teacher.
Okay, 400 cm. So, ang tinatanong dito, what will be the perimeter of the new table form? Ang answer is
400 centimeter, teacher.
400 centimeter. Naiintindihan niyo na ba, class?
Opo, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, we will have a game. And this game is called the Pakunaan game. Gusto niyo ba ng group activity?
Yes,
Are you
teacher.
excited, class?
Of course, teacher.
Wow, very good. Class, I will group you into 6 groups. And each group, may represent mamaya ako dito ng form na isosolve nyo at magunahan kayong magsosolve. And then, may mga numbers ako dito. If kayo ang unang, pag nagbilang ako ng 5 seconds, itataas ninyo itong number nyo para ma-identify ko kung sino ang unang magtataas, siya ang sasagot. Pero kung hindi nasagot o wrong yung answer ng isang grupo, pwede namang sumagot yung iba pang grupo. But before that, class, we will have a rubrics to follow. The first is the correctness. May 10 akong ibibigay na item mamaya. If masasagot nyo yon, kung ilan ang tamang sagot ninyo is bibigyan ko kayo ng 20 points. And then sa cooperation naman, pag nakikita kayo nagtutulungan lahat, bibigyan ko kayo ng 30 points. But before that, class, lahat ng cellphones, calculator, dahil madali lang ang addition. Anong grade na ba kayo? Grade 4. Dahil grade 4 na kayo, madaling-madali na lang ang addition sa inyo. Kaya lahat ng cellphone is lalagay nyo dito sa harapan. Lahat ng calculator. Kailangan gamitin nyo ang utak nyo para sumagot.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, sa group 1, ito ang inyong kagamitan. Sa group 2 naman, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. Ready na ba ang lahat?
Yes, teacher. Ready.
Wow, very good. Okay. Magsiset ako ng time every problem. It is 5 seconds to answer. In 1, 2, 3, go! 1. Yes, group 6.
Teacher, 27.
Yes. Patingin nyo ng answer nyo.
Teacher.
Yes, very good. It is 27. For the group 6 is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6. Group 6 has
1
1
point.
point. Okay, item number 2. In 1, 2, 3.
Teacher.
Yes, group Wow! Very good. Tama ba, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Group 4 has 1 point. O, habol group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 5. May mga natitira pa tayong item dito. Item number 3. In 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3.
Teacher.
Yes, group 3. What is the answer?
88 inches, teacher.
Yes, 88 inches. Very good. That is what group? What group?
Group 3, teacher.
Okay, good. 1 point for the group 3. And then, next item. In 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3.
Teacher.
Yes, group 2. What
Teacher,
is the answer?
68 po. 68
It's good.
meters.
It's correct.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, very good. Group 2 has 1 point. Oh, how about group 1 and group 5? Next item. In 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4.
Teacher, group 5.
Yes, group 1.
Teacher, group 5.
Oh, group 5, yes.
Teacher, 38 centimeter.
Okay, 38 centimeter. Yes, very good. 1 point for group 5. Group 1, habol, group 1. Next item. In 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4, 3.
Teacher, group 1.
Yes, group 1. What is the answer?
46 centimeter, teacher.
Yes, very good. 30, 46. Very good. Group 1 has 1 point. And then next item. In 1, 2, 3.
Teacher, group 2.
5. Yes, group 2.
116 inches, teacher.
Very good. 20. Anong group
106.
yun? Anong group?
Teacher, group 2.
Okay, group 2. And then next item. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Teacher, 356 meter, group 5.
Yes, group 5. Very good. Group 5. And then next item. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! This will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. It is 6 sides. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala bang makakasagot? Okay. Next item tayo. Dahil walang makakasagot, next item. In 3, 2, 1, go! It has 4 sides. Dahil wala dito, anong dapat dito? Diba magkapareho sila?
Yes,
In
teacher.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Group 2, teacher.
Yes, group 2.
19 centimeter.
5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. Very good, group 2. Okay, let's give a score to And the winner is the group 2. So, the group 2 has a perfect score in correctness. Okay, let's start in group 1. Group 1 is 19 points. Dahil isa lang yung ano nila. I don't know, no, it is 18 points. Dahil, and then group 2, it's 20 points. And then group 3, 18. Group 4, 18. Group 5,
19, teacher.
19. Group 6,
18.
18. Are you satisfied with your score, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, sa cooperation, lahat kayo nag-cooperate. Nakita ko talagang ginamit nyo talaga ang utak nyo sa pagsasolve kahit wala kayong cellphones or calculator. Very good, class. Keep it up, class. Keep it up. So, lahat kayo is 30 points. 30 points. So, 18 plus 30,
48.
48. 30, group 2 has the perfect score. It is 50 points. And then 38, 38, 39, and then 38. Let's give 5 claps to yourself, class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Class, what is our topic for today?
Teacher.
Yes, JD?
Teacher, it is all about perimeter.
Yes, and what is the importance of perimeter in our daily lives?
Teacher, han ko ang mo.
Okay, other answer? Yes, Marianne? To know the measurement of every object that we need to get the perimeter. For example, kapag may lupa ang parents ninyo, pwede nyo na pong titignan, i-calculate yung perimeter ng inyong lot area. Di ba po?
Yes.
Para hindi na po kayo manakawan. Di ba uso po ngayon ang nananakawan ng lupa?
Yes, teacher.
Dahil marunong na kayong mag-solve ng perimeter, pwede na kayo na ang magsasolve ng perimeter ng inyong lupain. Last, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa inyong group activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do you want an individual activity, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please get one and pass. Meron na bang papel ang isa't isa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The instruction is solve routine and non-routine problems involving perimeter. Kagaya ng sinolve natin kanina about sa table. Nakinig ba kayo sa ating discussion kanina, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, at yun ang inyong gagawin. At bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 minuto para tapusin ang inyong individual activity. Okay, magsimula na kayo. Class, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how about the others?
Yes, teacher. Tapos na din.
Okay, very good. Students at the back, pass your paper in front of you. At the count of 5, all papers should be in front. In 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you. And then for your assignment, here is our instruction. Find an example sample of polygon shape at your home and measure its size and indicate the name of that object. For example, class, a television. May television ba kayo sa inyong bahay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. A television, then measure the side and calculate it. Di ba, class, naturo na ni Teacher John Mark about sa ating measurement. If the measurement is not indicated, di ba, naturo na ni Teacher John Mark ang ating basic measurement sa ating EPP? Class, nakikinig ba kayo?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. And then put this in a one whole sheet of paper to be passed next Tuesday. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, goodbye and thank you.